Hello class, Jessica Finnegan here. I'd like to first thank Dr. Blizzard. He has guided us through this class and provided us with a lot of knowledge and new skills, so thank you, Dr. Blizzard. In addition, I'd also like to say thank you because this month has been really tough on me and he's helped me get through this class, so I really appreciate that. I'm looking forward to this next round of courses and getting done with my degree. So one step closer. So today I'm going to talk about regenerative agriculture and the many leadership roles that are going to be coming available or that are already here. So first of all, I think that one that is immediately available is to be a researcher in the leadership role and provide a lot of more insight and then be able to educate. From the educator piece, then I believe that it's important to show farmers what regenerative agriculture can do for them. And what regenerative agriculture can do for them is to help make their farm more sustainable, healthier, and they make more money. So it's a win-win. I think that as far as the government is concerned, there's also a leadership role for someone to come in and kind of be that in-between person between the government and the farmers, and that way they can kind of negotiate what is needed on the farmers' end, but then what also should be kind of the legislation of this new agricultural method. There are a lot of companies already switching, like General Mills, to this method, and I think that within these private corporations, they're also going to need leadership roles to kind of explain what the benefit is and how they got to the results they did. Because it's almost a scientific method theory that you need to look at and say, okay, well, this worked, that didn't work. Where do we go from here? How much CO2 or carbon dioxide actually got absorbed? Are our plants healthier? How can we make them healthier? Do we need to introduce more microbes or do we need to introduce um, more natural things to be able to help the environment? And then also, it'll be interesting to see after that how this all comes together and if there will be a leadership role over the regenerative agriculture overall. Because currently, I believe that there is an organization that heads organic farming and they kind of pass down things and trickle down effect. And so I think that will be just as important in regenerative agriculture as it is in an organic farming, and they are different. So if you're interested in this topic, I highly suggest looking into it. I look forward to actually using it in our future farm and being able to be one of those scientists and helping to move this along. So thank you for your time, and it was nice meeting you all, and have a great Thanksgiving. Bye. Thank you.